Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to be looking at price targets for Dogecoin for the month of August. But first, Mega Millions didn't win. It looks like the winner was in the state of Illinois, so congratulations to the winner. I did match 2 of the Mega Balls, so I got $4 back from my $20 investment, so down 16 bucks. But it was fun to play. Hope people didn't lose too much playing the lottery. But it was fun. I mean, it was $1 billion, so had to at least do that. Please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the support. Hit the little notification bell, and you'll get notified when I release new videos, as well as going live on live streams. And I'll be live again on Monday night next. So where is Dogecoin going to go from here? Well, we've had a good week trading Dogecoin, a little uptick again yesterday, so that was good. We got some good trading going on right now, and so we're going to look at some of the news that's going on with Dogecoin. And as always, I will be looking at the charts, and we'll be looking ahead for the month of August. So let's get into it. Here's the charts and news for Dogecoin. So we'll start here with the Dogecoin chart, and here's Doge just over 7.2 cents. So we had a good run overnight for Doge, up 5% over the last 12 hours. Here's Bitcoin now making a move here as I'm recording, now up 3.4%. What I was going to show you was this relationship between Doge and Bitcoin. Dogecoin coming up over 0.0003%. That's my target line. But it looks like Bitcoin's making a little run right now, so this relationship is dropping a little further. But overall for Doge, we're looking at this gain that for the month of July was actually 3 runs for Dogecoin. From the beginning of July up until about July 8th, we saw Dogecoin come up to about 7.2 cents and then drop down between July 9th and July 13th, came all the way down to about 5.8 cents as a low. Then we saw the second run come up with a drop, and then the third run. So what does that mean? Well, I think as we look forward, we're going to be seeing more of this up and down action. We're going to see a positive response to good news, and then bad news comes out, we're going to see a drop again. And I would expect to see that as we move forward into August. Right now, I'm looking at 7.75 cents as resistance line here. Looks like we hit that back in the end of June. It was support back in May and then turned into resistance. So that's going to be our resistance line. If we can get Dogecoin to trade up above 7.75, we could see Dogecoin up in the 8s. And that's where Dogecoin was back here, back in May and into the beginning of June. So if Dogecoin can get back up to that level, recreate 8 cents as a support line, then I think we would be out of this danger zone down here where Dogecoin was flirting with 5 cents. So that's what I see for Doge trading forward. Looking at the news, daily active Dogecoin addresses surged 265% in 2 months. What this is looking at is the active wallets, the wallet addresses that are interacting with the blockchain. And it went from June at 14.4 thousand up to 38.4 thousand here right at the end of July. So this is, as L.A. Martinez says, increasing network growth is a positive sign, which could soon be reflected in Doge price. I think this is people accumulating Doge at low prices, new people coming in, creating new wallets, and buying Doge. That's what this is, I think. So that's good to see this accumulation, and the price coming up over 7 cents, I think is reflective of that. This new milestone may be the kick Dogecoin needs to break 10 cents, according to this article by News BTC. Looking at the same new Dogecoin addresses soar, as well as from the significant jump in addresses. This article also talks about the upgrade of Dogecoin going to version 1.14.6. So that's the Dogecoin core being upgraded. Those that say, Dogecoin is dead, nobody's working on it. Well, the Dogecoin devs continue to work on it, continue to update the core, and we see that happening here. Dogecoin and XRP now supported by this global payment network. So this is Mercurio. So they use cryptocurrencies, conduct fast and efficient cross-border payments. And with Dogecoin and XRP being now utilized on this platform, we can see more Doge being used, more utility for Doge. We also have, back in this article, we also have that Doge was being added as a payment option on Coinbase Commerce. So Coinbase Commerce making crypto payments easier and more acceptable. So for those businesses using Coinbase Commerce, they can now accept Dogecoin for payment. And then we always have some negative news there. This is Dogecoin heading to zero, according to industry panel. This is Finder.com, a group of crypto people just saying where they think Dogecoin is going to be going in the future. And just interesting. People outside of Dogecoin, there are many, many who still believe Dogecoin is worthless and Dogecoin is going to zero. That's unbelievable. You look at the history of Doge, Dogecoin could have died multiple times and it never did. And I think Dogecoin now has a much stronger community and more support than it ever had before. So this is pretty interesting, just reading through that Doge, cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, which are completely useless and the value is purely supported by the community and will not gain value in the future. And these people are obviously out of touch with what's been happening with Dogecoin. But some of the people on this panel actually said that detractors of the token forget that the community is at least as important as uniqueness in the crypto space. And with the foresight of Elon Musk sticking with the project, Doge has a great community, ability to attract a culture of content creators and creatives. So there's a few good things that they mention here about Doge, but overall, they're predicting Doge to be pretty low. They think that by the end of the year, the average response indicated the Dogecoin price would be about 8 cents. And then targets for 2025 of about 19 cents and 2030 at about 64 cents. And here's their graph that they're showing here, this dark blue line showing 19 cents and 64 cents, which actually the long-term outlook from this panel is actually better than it was in January when they thought Doge would only be 54 cents by 2030. Of course, we don't believe that. We think Doge will be much higher, but that is what they were looking at on this Finder.com panel. So yeah, not completely bullish here. We're not going on this huge bull run yet. I don't see that right now. That's going to be delayed quite a while, I think, but at least some good positive action up from where we were in the depths of June. That would be good to see for Doge. But we still have this overlying economic situation around the world, really, with high inflation and raising interest rates, which isn't really good overall to get the whole crypto market moving up. Let me know in the comments below what you think about prices looking forward for Dogecoin for August. Give the video a like, If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.